Take a ride in 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.